Hello, my name is Michael Dillon and I'm the Deputy Attorney General at the Attorney General's Chambers. Today is day 3 of Disaster Management Workshop and Write Shop, in which members across TCIG's government were required to do a plan on disaster recovery. And so one of the tasks that we had to perform today was to write 75% of the plan. And so we went through our own critical operations, analysed those critical operations and atomised them out to see where our vulnerabilities were and where we had to make plans and provisions to those vulnerabilities and to relate them back into our critical operations. So it was a very useful workshop and write shop because we have the materials and the information that we need to complete the critical business continuity plan to ensure that TCIG, in the event of any kind of disaster, be it hurricane or otherwise, that government operations can get back to efficiency and normalcy, especially in the event of a disaster. So I found it very useful, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow's workshop in order to complete and have my business continuity plan assessed.